So earlier you mentioned the whole thing of, doing the research, on the ground, looking in the supermarket, stuff like that, doing that research, right?
Yeah, man.
And you also mentioned that your one of your favorite stocks, naturally, or of
Yeah,
course, is Grace Kennedy.
yeah.
But something I'd have to ask, we like to ask all our guests this, are, what are two other companies that you
Oh,
like on the Jamaica Stock Exchange?
whoa.
And you can't say GK and you can't say the JSE.
Oh my gosh, you just took away my two companies. You just took away my two companies. All right, so Key Insurance Limited. Okay.
Really?
Key Insurance Limited. No. No. No, on a serious note, I really, don't want to comment on any specific companies
Okay.
because as a chairman, I don't want to, be coming across as
Fully understood.
Okay,
Fully
okay.
but
understood.
what I will say to you is this, okay?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Let me tell you something that makes me really excited, okay? I am completely excited by the Junior Stock Exchange, okay?
Us too.
And let me tell you why. And I know that the market loves it because there's been a lot of success stories that have come out of the junior market, JSE Junior Market, and for that they're right to love it, right? But guys, I am a fan. I am a disciple of entrepreneurship. I love to see people build businesses from the ground up, right? And I love to see what the Junior Stock Exchange does in terms of encouraging people who have grown their businesses to transform them from, family type businesses into publicly traded companies that adhere to global best practices in terms of financial reporting, in terms of governance and board structures and all of these things. Guys, that story is amazing, and I think I mean I don't have the data to back this up, so I'm going to speak anecdotally, and I'm actually probably going to ask some of the guys to look and see. But I'm just telling you, I don't think there are many countries in the world that can talk about what we have done with our stock exchange, right? And especially on the junior market, and what it was quite bold, right? Because encouraging people, giving people tax breaks, at a point in time in our economy when we needed all of the tax money. So it was really bold to go out and make that decision, and I think it has been one of the best decisions that collectively as a nation we have made, because transforming that vision from simple entrepreneur into list publicity company, that journey is amazing. It's amazing. And
I
so
agree.
so
I think the
so
junior
I'll
market is very special. Very, very special
yeah,
place.
so I'll just tell you, I'll just give my kudos to the junior market.
Okay.
Okay. And then
Yeah.
also with the government announcing that they want to increase the share capital limit, like the junior market companies, they used to only be
Yes.
able to raise 500 million.
Yes.
Have they given you guys any update on that? Because I know that they have said it should be increased to the 750 million, but I think that was early in the year and it's been several
Yeah.
months and I don't think it's actually gone through yet.
Yes. Well, I'm expecting it. I'm expecting it this year. I know our Minister of Finances is kind of busy these days, but I'm expecting it this year. Based
Okay.
on just what I've heard being consistent with even what you said. I'm expecting it this year.
Okay.
And I
Well,
think that's big because if you think about that $500 million limit, that limit was so many years ago, and I think increasing it to 750 just keeps it at around where it was when it was first instituted, and I think it's going to do a lot in terms of what kind of companies can list on a junior exchange, and continue this like wonderful Cinderella entrepreneurship story that we have that goes on well beyond midnight.